For the first time on the channel, we're not late. We're definitely not early, but we're not late. What is this? What is this? We just got here to Vegas. What is this? This vehicle is in violation of the parking rules of the association. Ayo! First warning, we're good. We're good. We're good. Jeep Nation, we got some good mud here on the way to Vegas. Guys, it is day one of SEMA. SEMA is the world's largest aftermarket automotive trade show. We got supercars, we got Jeeps, we got I'm trying to be real quiet because I'm waking up the neighbors. We gotta roll. He's out here looking for parking violators. Oh, we're good, we're good. Yo, whoa, yo. Welcome here to SEMA, boys. We ain't at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance. We're at the wildest car show in the entire world. If you like Liberty Walks, you are in luck. Girth Nation, we got Camber Nation over there. Whoa. Maybe 4, maybe 5 years ago, Liberty Walk had an LP640 wide body. Unfortunately, we only have an Aventador, you know, just because curiosity, there's a V12 coming soon and we could Liberty Walk it. We don't have to, but we could. Also, check out this Liberty Walk i8. That thing is ridiculous. The wrap on this thing is wild. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day here at SEMA. Thank you. We're in, we're in. I came to SEMA for the first time 5 years ago. Obviously, I did not belong. I did not have credentials. I remember searching through trash cans trying to find one. Sure enough, some hero, some mate had thrown it away. Well, this year, boys, we belong. We got credentials and the Baby Max here somewhere. We're gonna find each and every single car for you guys. I will not let you down. But starting off first, we had to come check out the Centenario Roadster, 1 of 20. This was the first car delivered to North America, actually the world, and I filmed it in Beverly Hills Lamborghini. You guys might remember the OGs of the OGs. The Centenario, full exposed carbon fiber. That's a $250,000 option. Roadster is also a $250,000 option. So arguably, this is the most valuable Centenario in the entire world. This thing is so, so sick. Wing is up in flex mode, and just check out that view. What? I don't know how to say this. I really don't know how to say this. We're at SEMA, quite possibly the most important trade show in the entire world. The lift is up on the 720S. I know, trust me, trust me. If you're triggered, think about how the owners of 3M think. Anyways, we have this 650 Le Mans. You got louvers, you got a roof scoop, you got a front end lift up. Could you imagine a roof scoop on the 570? I think that's the only thing we're missing. That is cool. This morning we've seen a Centenario, a Huayra, 2 McLarens, and both McLarens have their lift up. We're at SEMA! Like, this is when the car needs to be looking tip-top shape, but you can guarantee it, the lift on the 570 is not up and will not be up this entire show. Goals today, we need to find as many cool Jeeps as we can because Jeep Nation, I'm considering selling my JK and getting a JL. What do you guys think? When I bought my JK Wrangler, I had no idea what I was doing. And now that I've kind of sort of figured out the direction I want to go, I'm wondering, do I sell the JK, restart and buy a JL and do just like the craziest build imaginable? So that's goal number 1. Goal number 2 is to find as many V12 Lamborghini aftermarket parts because once the car arrives next week, we need an exhaust, we need carbon fiber, and maybe a ski box. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My JK has honestly been a pretty conservative build. If I get a JL, which I may or may not, I want to go crazy like this. And I want to get one of these in my garage, and I want to park my Jeep like this every single night because, well, it's just cool. It's just cool. Whoa. Whoa, 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 okay, okay, now we're talking. So unfortunately, none of these cars can start up because the fire marshal here in Las Vegas, he doesn't like supercars, but I have a feeling on Friday, headphone users, I'm gonna hook you up. The problem with the R8 and doing any kind of crazy build, it's not really the right donor car because it has an R-tronic and a V8. If I wanted to do like some crazy build, I'd want a manual V10. So I should sell the R8, buy something else, and do something crazy. But could you imagine? Could you imagine? I definitely want to bring the light bars back. Maybe on the no, too soon, too soon. I'm just kidding. I would never ever actually put a light bar on a V12 Lamborghini. Trust me, well, or would I? A really cool design, but I think I like the light bar setup on my R8 better. This is like too much. I don't know. The carbon fiber fenders though, that is not too much. Look at the color on this 458. I can tell the camera's not doing it justice. It's a very beautiful turquoise color. Whoa, I'm just like getting ideas and inspiration for future car builds. Nick, if you're watching today's video, buy a Mustang and do it in full exposed carbon fiber. That thing is wicked. Whoa. Whoa. You can look, but don't touch, bro. And could you imagine seeing this thing under the sun? You got the polished carbon there, and then you got the matte carbon wing right there. Whoa, whoa, check out this RWB build. This thing is so sick. Girth Nation, I think RWBs, they might be the girthiest of the girthy. I have to like step back just to fit it in the full frame of the camera. No way. Okay, I'm more excited to check out the Jeep builds than I am the supercars. I love this tire carrier. This thing is sick. Okay, so yeah, this is making me want to restart the Jeep build. Whoa. I mean, we got to get rid of like this LeBron. We got to get rid of that thing because anyways. Welcome back to 1991. We found our V12, boys. This thing is so sick. It's so old school. In 1 week's time, there's gonna be a V12 in the garage. This thing, man, it's nearly 30 years old and it still looks so fresh. But the Baby Mac is somewhere. Ooh. Check it out, what? It looks so good. And look what is right next to it, Ski Box Nation. No way. 5 years ago, we were dumpster diving, and today, the Baby Mac is front and center here on the 305 Forge wheel stand. If you're at SEMA, come say hi. I'll be here today, tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. So if you want to see this car, like guys, you have to see this car in person. This satin perfect blue looks so good. We've polished up the carbon fiber, the 1016 Industries bit. We got the 305 Forge wheels, and check out that Audi R8. It has the LMS body kit, so it has the carbon rear clam and the carbon front clam, and look at this wing and the ski box. So he's using the C-suckers on the front end, and then it's mounted to the wing here on the back end. It makes me think, what do you guys think? This is your 570. What if I put a ski box on it? Let me know in the comments below. Got the center mounted exhaust as well, and this carbon fiber diffuser. This R8 is so sick. Whoa. And check out, so it's got the LMS front end as well. This thing is just riding on the ground. This is the sickest R8 I have ever seen. What do you guys think? If I could get the LMS kit for my R8, should I? I mean, obviously I should. Could I afford it? That's a whole nother question. If you want to win the Baby Mac, this is the single best opportunity to do so. Between now and November 2nd, it's 2 for 1, baby. That means every $5 spent, you get 2 entries to winning the sickest 570S in the world. We got hats, we got lanyards, we got shirts, we got posters. There's a link in the description below, thesupercarmafia.com. This is the single best opportunity to win this car. It's 2 for 1. It's like a free entry. Go check it out, supercarmafia.com. Right now, like, right, whoa, yeah. Link in the description below. Yo, bro, yo. This thing looks insane. What do you guys think? Do you dig the chrome red Tron theme? We got the Cusatera right there, interior. We got the 1016 carbon fiber wing. Owned, not borrowed. Now we're rolling. We are rolling. Check this out. You can't see it because I'm snaking it right now. I'm just kind of appreciating the view. Liberty Walk Lamborghini Aventador. Whoa. Could you imagine having one of these V12s in the garage? Unfortunately, well, yeah, the accountant told me I couldn't get the car. So, whoa. This also has the FI exhaust. This thing is nuts. Guys, check out this 720. This is the craziest car I've seen at the entire SEMA show. Look at all the forged carbon. This thing is wicked. Check this out, guys. What? Finally, we get to check out Guaczilla. You guys know this car. If you don't, my buddy Tanner. Well, you guys know Tanner. Girth Nation. Are you kidding me? This thing looks so much better in person. Oh, what's up? What's up? How's it going, buddy? Dude, it looks so sick.
Thank you, man. I know.
So sick.
I talked about it for so long, so it's cool to finally see it.
I love the color. I love the hood. I love the splitter. I love everything. We are getting hooked up. Inside exclusive access. He's got the carbon fiber out.
This is my first time seeing this today.
Really?
The steering wheel, yeah. I just got it 2 days ago.
I want something just like this for my Gallardo.
It's so good.
It's so nice. It feels so good too.
Have you told your vlog about your new car?
The V12? No.
You have
No.
it? Oh.
Well, no, they know that. They know it's a V12.
Okay.
They don't know what it is though. Look at the color on this 488. It's nearly the same color as the 570. This one has the Liberty Walk kit as well. This thing is sinister. I love this blue. It's got the ducktail spoiler right there. OG subscribers, you might remember about 5 years ago I was off here at SEMA and a Jeep Wrangler rear-ended a 458 Liberty Walk. This is obviously a 488. That was like one of my first viral videos ever here at SEMA 5 years ago. That's the same year that I was dumpster diving for badging. So yeah, we're moving on up. It's been a long day, but we are at the final destination. We are at Raising Cane's. Gotta get ourselves some chicken. Oh, no way. Whoa, what are you guys doing here? What a coincidence. This is Bailey's first time ever at Raising Cane's. Look at that smile, he's so excited. Here we go. Bring him. Okay, first french fry. Look at that satisfaction, are you kidding me? My food hasn't come yet though, so we're just waiting around. Just waiting.
Garlic bread.
Oh yeah, we do it right. So guys, a fun fact, if you get the box combo, you can swap out the coleslaw for another piece of bread. I didn't film eating the chicken, but you can trust me, it was simply sensational. I don't know where we're going, what we're doing. The vlog could be over, it might not. Maybe you'll hear an SVR, I don't know. There you guys have it. Today's video is effectively over. Day 1 of SEMA was absolutely amazing. I don't know if I'm gonna film tomorrow or Thursday, so the next video might not be until Friday. I don't know when this video is gonna be uploaded because the Airbnb doesn't have Wi-Fi. Anyways, on that bombshell, today's video is over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.